Here's an 8-row pattern that makes a lace pattern with a center cable design. It is worked over a multiple of 18 stitches, and for this example you'll see I've casted on 24 stitches, and that is to make the 18 stitch pattern repeat, as well as 3 stitches on each side to make a garter stitch border. Row 1. We're going to knit 3 border stitches at the beginning and end of each row. Purl 1, knit 3, knit 2 together, knit 1. Yarn over, knit 4, yarn over, knit 1, SKP. An SKP is just you slip the first stitch knitwise, knit the second stitch, and then pick up the stitch that you slipped with your left hand needle and lift it over the stitch that you knit, and that creates a left leaning decrease. Knit 3, purl 1, and then we're just going to knit those 3 border stitches. Row 2, in all wrong side rows, we're going to knit again those 3 border stitches, and then we're going to knit the knits and purl the purls, and we're going to purl those yarn overs as well. And since the wrong side rows are all the same, I'm not going to show all the wrong side rows on this video, but you just need to remember to knit the knits and purl the purls until you get to the last 3 stitches where we're going to knit those 3 border stitches. Row 3, knit the 3 border stitches, purl 1, knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. And now we're going to start building that middle cable. And if I had a cable needle, I would slip the first 2 stitches to the cable needle and hold it to the front. But since we're doing this today without a cable needle, I'm going to use the right hand needle, come in behind the first 2 stitches, and slip the right hand needle into the 3rd and 4th stitch. I'm going to pinch that the first 2 stitches with my thumb, and that's just so they don't unravel, because we're going to take out the left hand needle and reinsert it into the first 2 stitches, and then slip those 2 stitches that are on the right hand needle, slip them back to the left hand needle and knit 4. And that's how you make a left leaning cable. And it's just 4 stitches wide. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, SKP, knit 1, knit 2, purl 1, and then knit the 3 border stitches. And like I was saying, it's just 4 stitches wide, so it's pretty easy to make cables without a cable needle if the cables aren't too big or take up too many stitches. Row 5, knit the 3 border stitches, purl 1, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 8. Knit, yarn over, knit 1, SKP, knit 1, purl 1, knit 3 border stitches. Row 7, knit the 3 border stitches, purl 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, yarn over, knit 3. And then we're going to do that same 4-stitch cable we did before. We're going to take the right hand needle through the back, slip it through the 3rd and 4th stitch, pinch the first 2 stitches, take out the left hand needle and put it back in through the first 2 stitches, get the stitches back onto the left hand needle and knit those 4 stitches. And then knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, SKP, purl 1, and knit the 3 border stitches. Row 8 and the very last row, it's the same as all the other wrong side rows, and that's all there is to this pattern. It is 8 rows, and you just continue repeating it.